welcome amazing ladies and gorgeous men to my new video.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
Today we are diving into the world of short hairstyles.
And love is all we'll ever trust.
You have been searching for fantastic ideas for a pixie cut or the perfect way to style your short hair.
We'll go through the wastelands,
You are in the right place.
till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Let me guide you through this process,
We'll go
helping you achieve a mesmerizing and attention-grabbing
through the
look.
wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We all know how important our hair is when it comes to defining our unique style and boosting our confidence. That's why I have put together a collection of enchanting styling tips and ideas that will captivate you completely. With these new techniques, you will witness the magical transformation of your hair,
Melodies we haven't played.
giving you a sense of beauty and grace
No, I
that
don't
stands
want
out.
no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
Imagine this lady,
highways, till my shadow
magical
turns to
flies
sun
with black
rays.
colors.
And
These shades have
we'll
an
go
irresistible attraction,
through the wastelands,
elevating
through the
your hair to
highways.
levels of elegance that are unparalleled.
We'll go.
From subtle highlights that exude sophistication to bold undertones that command attention, we will explore how these colors can give your short locks depth and dimension. Prepare to be spellbound as you witness the breathtaking
We'll
transformation.
grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see
Now
the
let's get to the heart of the matter.
horizon, turn
I
us
have
to
carefully chosen a lovely array of short hair styling ideas
We'll
exclusively for you.
through the wastelands,
These hairstyles are not just trendy,
till my shadow turns to sun
they also make a powerful impact.
We'll go
They are designed to cater to your hair's deepest desires. Whether you are inclined towards a check bob, pixie cut, or any other fabulous short haircut, get ready for an unparalleled journey through the kingdom of style and self-expression.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable charm of grey, white, and black colors.
The storms we chase are leading
Can you
us.
imagine the
Love
blue
is
luxury
all
that
we'll ever
these shades will bring
trust.
to your hair?
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Blend of black and grey exudes timeless appeal
We'll go
and start winning sophistication and charm.
through the wastelands, through the
Prepare to be
highways,
dunked in the
till my
best of the
shadow
best
turns to sun
hairstyling
rays.
ideas,
And on
carefully curated for
we'll
your
go
exclusive satisfaction.
through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We want to apologize for any background noise and the occasional language barrier. Our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback are greatly appreciated to us.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
enjoyed the content of this captivating video. Want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for your unwavering support. Your presence inspires me to continue creating content that uplifts and empowers. Always remember you are beautiful and with the perfect hairstyle. You possess the power to conquer the world.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
So go ahead,
Turn us to
wear those stunning short hairstyles
and
with
we'll grow
confidence
in number, fueled
and
by
radiate
them
your
to see
inner
the
beauty.
horizon. Turn
Thank you
us
for
to
joining me today.
thousands.
Don't worry if English is not your first language.
Through the wastelands, through the
I
highways,
apologize, my English is not perfect,
and
but passion is a language that everyone can understand, no matter where you are from in the world.
and on
And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, take care and stay stylish. See you soon.
time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all